You only live once. Kaya huwag mong hintayin na maging perfect ang buhay bago mo ito simulan. Travel while you can. See the places you've always dreamed of. Try something new. Spend time with the people who matter. Huwag mong ipagpaliban ang happiness dahil lang naghihintay ka ng perfect time. Because the truth is, there may never be a perfect time. Life is happening right now. And someday, hindi mo na mababawi ang oras na lumipas. So take the trip, take the chance, make the memories. Work hard, yes, but don't forget to live. Because at the end of the day, you won't remember the things you wished you had more time for. You will remember the moments you actually lived. So while you are here, make it count.